Hey there and welcome back to the Vitamin Doctor, your go-to hub for all things wellness. Today, we're tackling a big topic. 5 habits that might be keeping you from reaching your fitness goals. But don't worry, we're here to break them down and help you make positive changes. Let's jump right in. Before we get into it, let's understand why these habits can be a problem. From snacking without thinking to skipping meals, these behaviors can mess with your efforts to stay healthy. But with a little awareness and some smart swaps, we can turn things around. First, mindless snacking. It's easy to grab a bag of chips without even realizing it, but those extra calories can add up fast. Instead, try choosing healthier snacks like fruit or nuts, and pay attention to how much you're eating. Here is how to avoid this. Instead of mindlessly munching on snacks, opt for nutritious options like fruits, vegetables, or nuts. Be mindful of portion sizes and try to eat only when you're genuinely hungry. Next, skipping meals. It might seem like a quick way to cut calories, but it can mess with your metabolism and leave you feeling hungry later on. Make sure to eat regular, balanced meals to keep your energy levels up. Here is how to avoid this. Make mealtime a priority by planning ahead and ensuring you have healthy options available. Aim to eat 3 balanced meals a day, including a mix of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to keep you satisfied and energized. Next up, not getting enough exercise. Moving your body is essential for staying healthy, but if you're spending more time on the couch than on your feet, it's time to make a change. Find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. Here is how to avoid this. Settle a physical activity into your daily life by finding activities you enjoy, whether it's walking, dancing, or playing a sport. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week to reap the benefits of improved fitness and overall well-being. Next up, emotional eating. Emotional eating is another common trap. It's tempting to reach for comfort food when you're feeling stressed or upset, but it's not a great long-term solution. Try finding other ways to cope, like talking to a friend or going for a walk. Here is how to avoid this. Develop alternative coping strategies for dealing with emotions, such as practicing mindfulness, journaling, or engaging in a favorite hobby. Seek support from friends, family, or a therapist if emotional eating becomes a persistent issue. Last but not least, the poor sleep habits. Not getting enough shut-eye can mess with your hormones and make it harder to resist unhealthy cravings. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, and create a relaxing bedtime routine to help you unwind. Here is how to avoid this. Prioritize sleep by establishing a consistent sleep schedule and creating a relaxing bedtime routine. Avoid caffeine and electronic devices before bed, and create a comfortable sleep environment to promote restorative sleep. So there you have it. 5 habits that might be keeping you from reaching your fitness goals, along with actionable solutions to overcome them. Remember, small changes can lead to big results when it comes to living a healthy lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Vitamin Doctor for more tips on living a healthy, balanced life. Until next time, take care and stay well.